Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to increase or decrease the coffee volume on a Philips 4400 coffee machine, and this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right over here, this is my Philips 4400 coffee machine, and on this machine you can increase or decrease the volume of coffee, which is the amount of coffee that you're going to get from the specific drink that you've chosen. It's really easy to do, and I'll show you exactly how to do it right now. So we're going to start off with the most basic one, the most basic drink, which is espresso. So as you can see right here, I've pulled up the espresso options, and we're not looking at this one over here with the bean, but what we're going to do is we're going to go to the next one, and we're looking over here where it shows the amount of milliliters. You can see this is 30 milliliters, which is what I have chosen. You can bring it up or down. You can do more or less. Just use the arrows to choose. And then that will tell you how much coffee, the volume of coffee that you're going to get. Okay, you can choose whatever you want. And then obviously there are, you can choose obviously more shots or fewer shots as well. That works as well. But in terms of just the straight option for coffee volume, you got to look for that one right there. Now, the one thing you have to understand, let me just get it back to the home screen here. The one thing that you have to understand is that we are comparing different drinks. So something like an Americano is going to have more than just coffee. It's going to have espresso, plus it's going to have water. So when I go to that option, not the bean over there, but when I go to that option over there, okay, it says 120 milliliters. So just remember that it's going to be different than the espresso, because what you're getting is different. Okay, even in terms of the coffee option here, when I go to the volume, 120 milliliters, right? It's at 120, but you know, you can go up to 220 on this one, right? And Americano, when I go to the option over there, I can go up to 200. So it's just, you got to remember that like when you're choosing your coffee volume, they're different drinks. So choosing your coffee volume for an Americano is going to be different than choosing your coffee volume for an espresso. Because you can see an espresso is just much smaller. I know I have mine set to a low option here, but like 30 milliliters compared to an Americano, which is 120 milliliters, is a huge difference. So when you choose the coffee volume, just remember you're choosing different drinks as well, the coffee volume for different drinks. The last thing I want to talk about is a drink with milk. So if I go to cappuccino, for instance, you can see we have the bean, which we're not going to go over right now, but we have the coffee volume over here, which is this option, so 30 milliliters. But over when I go to the next one over here, this is the option for the amount of milk. So it's a little bit different. Same thing with like a latte macchiato over here. You can see that, you know, we have the bean, like I said, we have the coffee milliliters over here, the coffee volume, but then this one is the amount of milk. It's a different icon. So remember, when you are going and choosing your coffee volume, you know, it's going to be different depending on, those are the things I want to outline. I showed you how to increase or decrease the coffee volume. Really easy to do. And I'll show you one last time, just because that's probably the most important part. So let's go to espresso. And I'm going to go to the coffee volume option over here. And I'm just going to go and I'm going to go up with the arrows or down. Okay, get it to whatever setting you want to have it at, and then you've chosen your coffee volume. It's literally that simple. Okay, now the things that I want to tell you, in addition to showing you how to increase or decrease the coffee volume, like I just showed you right there, is that different drinks have different coffee volumes, and the coffee volume is based on completely different drinks. So the different drinks are different by nature. So always keep that in mind. And also, when you're choosing a drink with milk, you know, you have a milk volume as well that you have to take into account as well. So just remember, take all of those things into account when you are increasing or decreasing your coffee volume, or I should say when you are choosing your coffee volume, and you'll be able to make the best coffee that you can make, and you'll be able to make delicious coffee that just tickles your taste buds. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you liked the content. You found it useful. You found it educational, entertaining, all of the above. I hope that you found it just an overall good, overall great, amazing video. But yeah, other than that, I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say and nothing else to show you, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.